So what's fascinating about that? So when you think of design, right? Generally, let's say somebody who's not a professional designer, I'm thinking of SolidWorks diagram drawing or rendering, right? That says this is what this is going to look like. It's a lighter, it's a chair, it's a I don't know, it's a vacuum, like you said, whatever it is. And that seems okay. I can see there's a lot of skill in that. You can almost envision the exploded diagram showing all the parts that go into it. But everything you just described had a lot more to do with, yes, you get that part right, but it had a lot to do with all the other considerations about how do you make money making that thing, and what are the ways you could lose money, or at least have waste or wasted effort, wasted materials, wasted labor, all that stuff, making the same part. So it's not just a diagram.
Oh no. I mean, so yeah, there's a lot that goes into the files that actually produce the parts, but yeah, I mean, eliminating waste, as you said, getting rid of anything that's not necessary along that process is key. The more you eliminate, the more money you save.
So I'm kind of curious. Are you at a point now, and you've done this now for more than a couple of years, right?
So like 35 years now.
Okay,
we've got a lot of experience. A lot of changes happened along the way. I mean, everything used to be done in the U.S. when we started. There was no offshoring, and the times have changed.
We've changed.
So rolled with them.
So I'm just curious. Do you go into like a store, whether it's a Staples or anything, and see products and kind of like, I'm thinking of the movie The Sixth Sense, I see dead people. Do you see bad design? Is it like glaring to you? You go, how do they do this? How do they bring this to market?
It's more when you're trying to put something together that you just bought for your kids or something like that. But yeah, sure. You see design fails all the time. And I mean, it gets down to even just taking something out of the package. We've done studies on people to how to assemble things, and there's nothing more frustrating than open up a box and start with part A, and our part A is on the very bottom of the box, and you've got to unload this whole thing in order to get to it, and it's a lot of heavy pieces. So so that's all part of it as well. It's that's more on the customer experience side, but that all goes to what we do and how we think, and we just we want to make that whole experience excellent, not only for the customer but for the manufacturer as well. Like how can we make everything easier along the way? And yeah, anytime I buy a product, it's a nature of the beast. You're looking at it and trying to figure out how you would do things differently.